Hey, this is the time of the show that I like to bring on my lovely fiance, Chrissy. Hello, Chrissy.
Hi, Tom.
And may I say that you are looking super, super, super beautiful this morning.
Thank you so much.
If people want to know what you look like, they're going to have to check out our videos when we put them up later this week.
Thank you, Tom. And thank you for posting all these videos, and thank you for that wonderful compliment.
Well, we have a full day today. We're going to a party, then we're going to watch our daughter Alexis go bowling. And so we're on the move today.
We have a very busy day, and it's wonderful because it's going to be combined with friends and family.
Yes, and Kirk thinks you look ravishing, by the way.
Thank you, Kirk.
And amen, I agree.
Thank you.
Hey, Chrissy, we have some really great, wonderful clients. That's part of the joy of our work. And each week I like to talk about at least a couple of them. But I want to talk about Gertrude. She's 94 years old. She came to see me last week to have a little bit of work done. And she was just a super sweet lady. And when I have the pleasure of meeting somebody 94 years and they want to tell me about their life, I want to listen. And she was talking about growing up during the Depression. And you're not going to find too many people like that anymore.
I think it is so wonderful to hear about their lives. And I know that you ask this question just as I do. I love to say, what's your secret?
Yeah. We'll always get a different response, but It's never that I was drinking and smoking a lot. That's one thing we don't hear.
I will say that it is, and you're right, it's usually different, but it's really, really cool to hear how the things that they have done. You're right. Normally it's about they have done certain things where they feel it's been about taking care of themselves over the years.
One she gave us her suggestion was she takes a spoonful of apple cider vinegar every day.
Yes.
And so you and I have started doing that.
And that client, she is turning 100.
No, nice. Well, Gertrude, she is legally blind. She's a sweetheart lady. She is still living at home. She took a course at the Center for Independent Living, and can do everything by herself. But I got a kick out of this. She says, Tom, they even taught me how to go out into my yard and distinguish weeds from grass.
Oh my gosh.
So I am blind, but I know how to find the weeds and pull them in my yard.
That is really, really awesome.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
You go, Gertrude. We appreciate you very much.
Absolutely.
Now, we had some other clients just a couple of days ago, Tim and Irene, very nice people. And Tim and Irene are like a lot of clients that we have these days. They are very concerned about their pets and what's going to happen to them when they pass away.
And they want to make sure that they are being taken care of. And oftentimes they're not quite sure how to go about that.
Yeah. And, it is not unusual. We've all been in a situation. Hey, if you've ever owned a pet, your pets are your children. I understand that completely. I've had them too as well. And they're concerned. They want to set up something for them to take care of the pets if they were to pass away.
And we can help you with that.
Yeah. So Tim and Irene, thank you for coming. Thank you for being loyal listeners to the radio show. We appreciate it. We enjoy taking care of meeting Tim and Irene and taking care of their business.
And we also have two other clients, Mary and Larry. And Mary and Larry have been listening to you for 25 years.
25 years, almost back to the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's always a hoot when I talk to people about way, 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 way back in the day when I started radio, and they know what I'm talking about.
They do. And I love it when they come in and I have the chance to meet with them first. And then I say, hey, I'm going to go get Tom. And they are so excited to be able to meet you. And to me, that is really a joy of my day every day. I love that.
Well, I love meeting clients and talking to them and finding out a little bit about their situation and what their life is all about. That's always very interesting for me.
Thank you for taking that time.
You're welcome, Chrissy.